Dried orange peel is a favorite Provencal ingredient used in a lot of dishes, from dubs of beef to even bouillabaisse. And it's so easy to make. Just buy organic unwaxed oranges and cut the peel off like I'm doing here in strips, or you could just peel it, like you're just eating an orange. I mean, it might not look as pretty and be as easy to dry, but nonetheless, it works the same way. To dry it is really simple. Just take your peel, find somewhere cool and in a dark spot, and just hang it for 5 to 7 days. And then you can use it in any dish, like a beef stew. It's perfect. It's going to add a bright citrusy flavor and make you feel like you're in the south of France. So enjoy. Thanks for watching Simple French Cooking.